We could do it now. Come on. Yeah, let's do it now. Guys, hello and welcome back to another episode where today we're in my kitchen because I'm going to be showing you my top 5 kitchen hacks that are going to make you a better home chef. Let's get into it. A good sharp knife is arguably the most important tool you can have in the kitchen. But what if you don't have a sharpener on hand? Well, you can actually make do with a plate. The underside of your plate is actually coarse enough to sharpen your knife. Just run your blade at an approximately 30-degree angle in both directions, and you'll be amazed with just how sharp you can get a very dull knife. Now, needless to say, if you have a knife sharpener, please use that instead, but in a pinch, this could work. Ah, yes, the garlic. Nobody's favorite thing to prepare in the kitchen. You're probably familiar with this concept of putting your knife on it and smashing it, and maybe you smash too hard or not hard enough, and eventually you can fiddle around and get the skin off. But I'm going to show you a way to quickly and easily get all of your garlic peeled by throwing it in a mason jar. Give it a shake for approximately 10 to 20 seconds, and then you're done. See, violently shaking it actually removes the garlic paper from your garlic. And as you can see here, you're peeled and ready to go. All of the garlic is separated from the paper, and it really can't be any easier than this. If you don't have a mason jar, just use a large cup. Whatever you have lying around that will allow you to smash it back and forth is all you need. Okay, so you have to use your imagination here. Pretend you, for some reason, need to put this banana in a bag, right? It doesn't fit. Big problem. Well, maybe not. All you need is 2 Ziploc bags. Take one, turn it inside out, like so. Then line up the Ziplocs, and there you go. You now have a large Ziploc bag. Now, it's probably not going to be waterproof, and no, it's not the best solution, but it is a solution, and it's definitely a hack that I think is worth noting. Ah, yes, the pepper. Everyone's familiar with the pepper, and everyone has cut a pepper, but not everyone has cut a pepper correctly, which is why I'm going to show you how to do that now. Just simply follow your knife from top to bottom, following the curvature of your pepper, and you will be left with nothing but seed. Go ahead and throw that out, and you are ready to go. Bonus tip, if you have a cutting board with a handle in it, just go ahead and slide your knife down towards the handle and use it to more precisely place your cut items into a bowl. Everyone at some point has been asked to remove the egg yolk from the egg white. Well, all you need is a bottle. Go ahead and give it a squeeze, place it over the egg yolk, and it'll suck itself up into the neck of the bottle. Then you can go ahead and place it in a separate container. Let's see that again in slow motion. Do keep in mind, I tried this twice with the same yolk, and I guess the integrity of the yolk was compromised because it just broke into a million pieces. So this is a one-trick pony, if you know what I'm saying. What do you want? Piece of cheese? Little piece? Yep. Guys, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Or if you have a kitchen hack of your own that maybe I'm not aware of, let me know in the comments below. As always, keep busy, stay healthy, be happy. And I'll see you in the next one.